So may tatlong pictures dito. Yung isang picture dito ay training, ang isang picture ay coaching, at ang isang picture ay mentoring. Si Manny Pacquiao have mentioned in many situations na si Freddie Roach ay kanyang mentor. Parang tatay, yung term na ginamit niya. Okay? So, alin dito sa mga pictures na ito ang nag-i-illustrate ng training? Ito, training, no? So ito ay nangyayari before the fight, di ba? So kung ito ay training, ano ang goal ng training? Ang goal ng training is to prepare people for a challenge. In this case, for a fight. Yan yung goal. Alin yung coaching? Number 2, yung coaching, no? Oo. Ano ang goal ng number 2? To win that particular fight. Ilang beses umaakyat si Freddie Roach, yung coach. Gano'ng kadalas umakyat sa ring? Depende kung gano'ng karami yung round. Siyempre, pag tapos na sa 5th round, di na aakyat ng pang 6 yun. No? So, kung gano'ng karami yung round, gano'ng karaming beses aakyat ng ring. Every round, the coach will go and say, kumusta ka? No? Kaya ba? Kaya pa ba? You first ask how the person is. Give the person feedback about how to deal with the situation because the goal is to win that fight. So, obviously, ito yung mentoring. No? So, it happens outside the ring, outside the gym, maybe inside the gym, no? Pwedeng mangyari yon. Pero definitely outside of the fight, right? Mga regular conversations, okay? Ano sa tingin yung madalas na pinag-uusapan ni Freddie Roach o nung coach at saka nung athlete, no, ni Manny, that makes it mentoring? Goals, no? Long-term goals, vision. Di ba? Mga mga life choices and life decisions, no? Kung ito ay prepare for a fight, ito is to win the fight, anong goal nito? Development to. These are all development. Sustain. Yes, Kevin. Prepare for life. Okay. Ano pa? Halimbawa, in the context of Freddie Roach and Manny Pacquiao, prepare for the fight, win the fight, win all future fights. Be the 8th weight category champion. Long-term success. No? Realizing the person's full potential. That's what mentoring is. So malinaw na po ang difference. No? And one thing that we can emphasize here that in order to do mentoring, you have to do coaching. Sometimes you also have to do training. Okay? See.